Good morning. My name is Brad Thomas. I'm the Director for Market Product Management for Track and Trace Solutions. Today I want to show you the new dynamic 850 camera. It allows us to provide height information to the camera to autofocus on the device, or if there's no focus mode, then we can actually use it to focus it manually to help with quicker setup. So you don't have to physically adjust an aperture or physically adjust the focus. You can do it dynamically through the software. Also in this system, we'd like to show you the color ICR. With the color ICR, you get color images. This is the only color camera on the market for track and trace solutions. With this camera, you can also get hazardous material detection, single item verification, where you have two boxes side by side. You can get bag or a box. It can tell you whether you have a bag versus a box. Also gives you dimensions on a flat object. So normally a dimension needs some height, but with the flat object profiling, we can actually give you the length and width of the object based on the camera image. If you're in need of more information, please reach out to your account rep. Thank you and have a great day.